Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So which is the equivalent to the ohm? Well, ohm is obviously a unit, and we've got a whole load of answers that must be equivalent to 1 ohm, a whole load of different units that must be equivalent to 1 ohm. So the way I tend to approach a question like this, I think of a really obvious equation that tells me what resistance is, in this particular case, what an ohm is. And resistance is equal to a potential difference over current. Now, what units are that? Well, the units of potential difference is volts, and the units of current is amps. So volts per amp is the same as an ohm. So let's just have a look down here. Well, I've not got any volts and I haven't got any amps in this particular question, so there's a bit of a problem. I need to find things that contain joules, so energy, coulomb, charge, and time, seconds. So I also know that potential difference is equal to work done per unit charge. If I substitute work over unit charge into this equation, I find that resistance is equal to work over charge and time. So the units of work, joules, the unit of charge, coulombs, and the unit of current is amps. So now I've got joules per coulomb per amp. Well, again, there's still no amps in here. They've got seconds in all of these answers. So I know that current equals charge per unit time. And if I substitute charge per unit time instead of current into this equation, I'll get resistance is equal to work done over charge squared, and with time on the top there. So what have I got? Work done, joules, time, seconds, charge squared, coulomb squared, and of course it's 1 over, so to the minus 2. The answer is B. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, press the like button, leave comments below, and I hope you'll share and watch more of these videos in the series.